So it's all about David Weekley this week. We are in the Groves here in Humble, Texas, taking a look at David Weekley's 35-foot section here. They've just got some cutie properties on smaller lots to accommodate a 35-foot lot size. And the kind of unique thing about what this little community here in the Groves has to offer in this section is garages on the back side of the property. Haven't featured a property like this before, but there is lots of interest. And so I wanted to show you what's going on here in the Groves with these types of properties and see what you think about them. So if you're ready, let's go take a look. This is the kind of home you could have here in David Weekley's section in the Groves. We're here looking at just the street side view of what these homes look like, but we're really here to see this model home, the Anders plan, 2168 square feet, 3 beds, 2.5 baths. The garage is on the rear side. You do get a 2-car garage here, and it's a good size too. So really, it's a great home here for people who are looking to downsize. We're looking for just less maintenance overall, less yard space to have to contend with. But you really do get really good home sizes here. Really, it goes up to almost 2,500 square feet. So let me know what you think about this plan, if it's of interest to you. This is on the north side of Houston. Let me know what you think. Enjoy.